Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be looking at all of the different APIs that the TD Ameritrade have to offer. And also, after that, we're going to have the answer for our Challenge 8. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and if it's the type of video you like, go ahead and hit that like button for me. And also, make sure you're staying tuned until the end to watch right here, because over 800 videos, there's a good chance that you may not have seen all of them. So all right, let's just get into it. So the APIs that Ameritrade has for us are pretty impressive, and after we get done, I'll show you the one that we're going to be using next. All right, so accounts and trading. So I'm only going to be showing you stock data, but everything that I'm going to be showing you, you can extrapolate out and use for any of these. And I was posed, the reason why I'm saying that specifically is I was posed the question, am I going to be showing you how to make a trading bot? No. One, I don't want to be liable for anything like that, but two, I want you to understand and see this and really kind of get you interested in investing, not in trading. So there we go. All right, but here are the accounts. Here are the APIs of how to trade, place an order, cancel an order. You have your authentication token right there. Here's the instruments. And most of these, as you'll see, especially like markets, and I'll show you another way, you're going to have a single. You're going to have one for a single search, and then multiple searches. So you can look at the multiple markets, because there are many markets around the globe, not just the NYSE and the NASDAQ. Then you have the movers, which are companies, stocks that are making big moves in one day. Excuse me, guys, I'm sorry. And also, I am going to have the solution, or a solution, to our Challenge 8 after we get done, after I announce which API we're going to be using. Option chains. So options are a tool that you can buy, and it locks you in and gives you the option to purchase a share at a certain price. Price history, that's pretty explanatory. You can go back in time, and any length of time in any interval. Quotes, of course, then you can go and get single quotes, multiple quotes. Then you have your transaction history, user information, and watch lists. So you can then create an actual lists of things that you want to watch that you don't then have to go and check every day. This is very handy, and it can even go in and do multiple accounts. So all right. So the one that we are going to begin using and interact with the most is going to be our search instruments. And each API has its own address. Very useful. So now let's deal with our Challenge 8. So there is a limitation to our queries. It is a max. Actually, I found that 500 worked. So I don't know what the max is. I think I toyed around with it. I think 600 fails, so it's somewhere between 500 and 600. So 500, real easy round number. So let's just go ahead and look at our solution. So let's just say, and then let me get my notes. And so, all right, our dilemma was we have 5,456. So we're going to start at 0, then end, and end at 500. So we're going to cycle through 500. So while end less than X, then print start, end, hey, is somebody in there? Okay, good. I want to make sure it wasn't Calvin. And then now, here's the part So all that would happen is right now I would just go and it would print 0 and 500 repeatedly because I'm not changing. So now after we print it, this is the coolest one that I think I remember. So I'm going to just reassign. Then I'm going to add to my endpoint. I'm going to increment or in place. All right, so let's see how I did. All right, so now I'm close, but I have a dilemma right here. So now I'm outside the loop. Start equals end. Then I'm going to minus 500. Then my new end is X. And print, start, and end. So boom. So here I go. I have 0 through 500, 500 to 1,000, 1,000 to 1,500, so on, all the way through to the end. It is literally that clean, that simple, and I will show you how to integrate this into our queries, and we're going to use all of the tools that we've used so far, and it's quite interesting. And then we're going to really delve into some very cool stuff with pandas. Excuse me, guys. Okay, I was pretty sure we were going to go through this whole week and stay pointed, but I was super excited about a discussion that we had on our Discord server. It was somebody posted a question of, well, they posted their problem that we were working through, but it's a guess door problem. So it ended up being very interesting. So actually tomorrow's video is going to be this, and I think it's a great practice. So it has a few constraints. It has lives going away. So you start out with 5 lives. Each guess, a life goes away. Then each time if you guess wrong, the door changes. And the more that I looked at it, it is a perfect flow. And then if you send messages out, then you have flow control, and it's just fantastic. We're actually going to do that video tomorrow, so please stay tuned, making sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button, notification bell, joining that Discord server so you can be part of the community. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.